Have you ever wondered how you could start earning $625 a day without any special skills or experience? In this video, I'm going to reveal a brand new foolproof method using Google that can make you hundreds of dollars daily with minimal effort. Just imagine taking a link from trending articles and pasting it into an app that instantly creates viral videos in any language that you want. I've tested this myself, so you can replicate this easy, profitable strategy. Stay tuned until the end because I have some exclusive tips that will maximize your earnings and make this process even smoother. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about finding trending topics. Google News is a great place to start. It collects news stories from around the web and presents them in one spot. Just scroll through the categories and pick a topic that grabs your interest. But there's an even easier way. Google Gemini. This AI chatbot can give you a list of trending articles in real time. Just ask for the top 10 trending articles and you'll get a list based on what people are searching for right now. If you want to be more specific, you can ask for trending articles in particular categories like sports, business, or entertainment. Another effective tool is Google Trends. It shows you what people are searching for at the moment. You can select your location and see what's trending now. For example, if LeBron James is trending with over 500,000 searches, you can bet a video on that topic will get views. Just imagine hopping on this topic right now, with so many people looking for content and you providing exactly what they need. Step 2. Now, once you have your trending topic, it's time to create your video. Sign up for a free account with InVideo AI. They also have an app for iPhone users, making it super convenient. So, after logging in, turn on the beta settings for early access to new features. This gives you a head start on creating content that not many others can. Start by creating a new video project. You'll want to explore the workflow options. There's a cool feature called Clone Your Voice, where you can record your voice for 30 seconds and InVideo will use it for all your videos. If you prefer, you can use their AI voices instead. Next up, in the workflow section, select News Videos. Copy the title of the trending article you chose and paste it into the video creation section. Set the video duration and tone. Maybe you want a 2-minute funny video. Then, paste the link to the article and InVideo will fetch the content to create your video. You can customize the voice type and add subtitles for extra engagement. Once you've set these preferences, click Generate. InVideo will summarize the article into a video format. You can tweak the script, change scenes, or even switch the language of the video to reach a broader audience. If you want to add clips from other videos, like a LeBron James rant, search YouTube for Creative Commons videos, which are free to use. Alternatively, you can use quick clips from other sources under the fair use policy, especially if your use is transformative, adding a new meaning or context. Always credit the original source. To download these clips, use a site like keepvid.to or screen record them. Upload the clip to your InVideo project, edit it into your video, and you're good to go. This process allows you to create dynamic content that stands out. When your video is ready, export it. If you're on the free plan, there will be a watermark which can affect your video quality and viewer perception. Upgrading to a paid plan removes this watermark, ensuring your content looks professional. Creating videos like this daily keeps your channel relevant and engaging. While it may take some time to start making significant money, the potential is huge. Step 3. Now, it's time to monetize and grow your channel. To monetize your channel, meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. This includes having a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, which is 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. While building your channel, focus on producing high-quality, consistent content. Use SEO strategies to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. I've made several videos discussing these requirements and how YouTube's payment system works. Additionally, I have a free YouTube guide with tips on creating faceless videos and automating your content creation process. So, check out my other videos. For now, let's talk about how AI can take your content to the next level. Tools like InVideo aren't just about creating videos. They're about creating engaging, high-quality videos that keep viewers coming back for more. One of the standout features is the ability to use AI voices, which can give your videos a professional touch without you having to do much of the talking. This is perfect if you're camera shy or simply prefer not to use your own voice. Step 4. Customization is key to making your videos stand out. InVideo allows you to change the tone, style, and length of your videos. For instance, if you're making a news video, you might want a serious, informative tone. But if you're covering entertainment, a more casual, humorous tone might work better. You can also add text overlays, animations, and other visual elements to make your videos more engaging. One of the coolest features of using AI tools like InVideo is the ability to translate your content into multiple languages. This opens up a whole new world of potential viewers. Imagine you've created an English video about a major sports event. With a few few clicks, you can have that same video available in Spanish, French, or even Japanese. This not only broadens your audience, but also increases your chances of going viral. A common question is how to use clips from other people's videos legally. The key is understanding and respecting copyright laws. Use Creative Commons licensed content when possible, and always credit the original creator. If you're using clips under the fair use, ensure your use is transformative, meaning it adds new expression or meaning to the original content. For instance, if you're commenting on a controversial moment in a game, use short clips to highlight your points and add your own commentary. This not only keeps you within legal bounds, but also makes your content more interesting and engaging. Also, engagement is crucial on platforms like YouTube. The more viewers interact with your videos, liking, commenting, and sharing, the higher your videos will rank in search results. Encourage viewers to engage by asking questions, responding to comments, and creating a community around your content. For example, if you've made a video about a recent sports match, ask your viewers for their thoughts on the game. Create a conversation. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps build a loyal audience who will return to your channel regularly. So, to continually improve, keep an eye on your video analytics. YouTube provides detailed insights into how your videos are performing, watch time, audience retention, click-through rates, and more. Use this data to see what's working and what's not. Maybe your viewers drop off at a certain point in your videos. This is a cue to change that part in future videos. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on these insights. Experiment with different types of content, video lengths, and posting times to see what resonates best with your audience. Step 5. I want you to know that creating successful videos is not just about one viral hit. It's about building a sustainable content strategy. Plan your content calendar in advance, focusing on a mix of trending topics and evergreen content that will remain relevant over time. Evergreen content is particularly valuable as it can continue to attract views long after it's been posted. For instance, tutorials, how-tos, and informational videos on timeless topics can keep bringing in views and subscribers even months or years after they're first published. Finally, always stay ahead of trends. Use tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and industry news to keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot. Being among the first to cover a trending topic can give you a significant advantage in terms of views and engagement. All of these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to making money online with YouTube. You can earn more than $4,000 a day with an affiliate marketing. If you want to know how, check out our other videos. I'll see you there!